Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I've got a 10 by 20 canvas here ready to go on my Lazy Susan with my black house paint. Completely spread out, a little bit of a puddle or pillow as you could call it in the center. I'm going to do another swipe, only this time on black background. I can give you a quick little show and tell on my last one, which is this guy right here. It just dried beautifully. Love it. Nice bright colors. So we're going to do something similar, but with the black. And I'm going to try and do a little bit of negative space. Let's see if we can pull that off this time. Now, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And all my regulars, thank you so much, you guys. Love you very much for all your thumbs up, all your comments. Keep them coming. It really does make my day. Okay, colors I'm going to be using mostly are the Primary Elements pigments. And I've also got some of the Pourage Posse paints from CHRISTINA WELCH. Go check out her channel. I'll put a link in the description below. She's got some beautiful paints. And this little piggy pigments. And the Artist Loft metallic line, I've got orange and a little bit of yellow I'm using up. So I'm basically using up a number of different colors that I've already got done from previous paintings. And it's going to be kind of a Heinz 57 kind of swipe. Alright, Greg's going to hit some music. I hope you enjoy. Thanks very much for watching, everyone.
It's a Monday kind of feeling on a Tuesday afternoon. I can hear Wednesday calling, but then Thursday comes too soon. And by Friday I'm ready for a Saturday affair. 'Cause on Sunday I'll be happy, the afternoon is here. It's a Monday kind of feeling on a Tuesday afternoon. I can hear Wednesday calling, but then Thursday comes too soon. And by Friday I'm ready for a Saturday affair. 'Cause on Sunday I'll be happy, the afternoon is here, yeah, yeah. Slow down for a second here. We rush around and we disappear. Just let the afternoon keep us here. For a moment to still have time. In this moment you will be mine. It's a Monday kind of feeling, and I know you can relate. 'Cause the city is so busy, I can feel it every day. And you know I love my baby, I can hardly wait. There's just something extra special when I get to see your face. Slow down for a second here. We rush around and we disappear. Just let the afternoon keep us here. For a moment it still has time. Let's slow down for a second here. We rush around and we disappear. Just let the afternoon keep us here. For a moment it still has time. In this moment you will be mine. Just like all the other lonely Starbucks lovers, find a way to remember where I went wrong. Not like any other, so much to discover. Find a way to remember where I belong. Slow down for a second, dear. We rush around and we disappear. Just let the afternoon keep us here. It can keep us here. Slow down for a second, dear. We rush around and we disappear. Just let the afternoon keep us here. For a moment it still has time. Let's slow down for a second, dear. We rush around. season. Yeah, you were built for mid-July. You got the glow of the sunset. You got the rush of the ocean waves. Burning high like it's wanted. You make it feel like summer again. Again. With your skin soft as ice cream. Yeah, you melt under my touch. With your kiss strong as lightning, you got me falling right back in love. You got the glow of the sunset. You got the rush of the ocean waves. You're burning high like it's wanted. You make it feel like summer again. Again. You make it feel like summer again. And we both know that it's probably not gonna last forever. And the blink of an eye, May turns into September. When we look back at all the things that we could remember, I want to remember you, and then I'll feel it again, again. And then I'll feel it again, again. You got the glow of the sunset. You got the rush of the ocean waves. You're burning high like it's wanted. You make it feel like summer again. We got a chance and we'll live it. The only rule is there's no regret. From the start to the end, you make it feel like summer again. Again, you make it feel like summer again. Again, you make it feel like summer. Oh yeah. Send me a sign, a smoke signal that is all mine. A love letter written in the sky. 'Cause I'm not sure just what you're feeling inside, inside. I'm hearing whispers telling me lies. I wanna feel your words pierce my chest. I wanna be the one who knows you best. I need a spark like you to bring me back to. You're a shockwave to my dying heart. Pulled me from the grave to a brand new start. And when all love is lost, I'm too gone to save. You're lightning in the dust, you're my shockwave. You're my shockwave. Say that they've seen the future. No one can. You're not the designer of this plan. I don't need to be so despondent. Time and time again, I'm deprived of any sanguine. So I don't believe I'll be in love again, in love again, in love again. 'Cause everyone tells me, but I don't believe I'll be in love again, in love again, in love again. If you can provide any validation, perhaps I'll reassess my situation. But until